7.4 right here next to Loyalty Islands. Yes, 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 yeah. And I know I got it. Breaking news right now. Breaking news, everybody. And here we have a big quake. And this is no joke. A 7.3. It's 18 kilometers in depth right now. So this one here is 44 kilometers in depth. So the first one was did they downgrade that? 7.7. Now this is a 7.4. Dang, that's pretty steep, man. That's pretty damn steep. Boom. Now everybody was talking about how it's going to go here, how it's going to go there. Up by Port Villa, up there, Vanuatu or Vanuatu or Vanuatu, up that way had a 5, and right before it had a 5. So a couple of 5s up there, and then bam, the sucker hit down here. Do we have a tsunami alert? No tsunami advisory right now on this 7.4. Last night there was a threat. There was a little tsunami. It wasn't a big one. Oh, sorry about that. Back to where we're going. Yeah, this is a pretty good little rock and roller. How it's shaking the world. Indonesia's gone all the way through Java now. It's moving up towards the Nias region. Let's see, what do we got? It's not going to Alaska yet. It's got to go up all the way to the top. Philippines are filling this one. Japan's starting to feel it now. Okinawa is picking it up. So very strong quake. Going ballistic. Taking off. EMSC posted 7.5. USGS has it already at a 7.4. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the origins say here. Magnitudes. They don't have it yet, so this is still in flux. 7.4. That's the original. AI is calling it. The artificial intelligence saying 7.4 right now. That's subject to change. So here we go, right there. Here's the other one. You can see just in the area alone, 43 quakes since last night on the 7.7. And I think the lowest I saw was a 4.3 or something. Everything else is saying it. Anyway. All right. Yeah, the lowest I'm seeing 4.8, 4.7, 4.6, 4.6. That's the lowest. Yeah. And it's coming out of USGS. So 43 quakes. And then on top of that, another 7. Now, this is expected. It's a normal range, 7.7 to come up to almost equal amount. But this is, moved off a little bit east, about 20 miles east. So, or west. I don't know what you call it. Where the frack you at? It's to the left, man. So it's probably west. That's where it's at right now. So big quake, big quake. So far, here's the Loyalty Islands up in here. So I'm not seeing a major threat to these islands. Of course, there's quite a bit of distance, 7,500 miles to each of these little islands. And these are just little bitty things, And if I showed you on GE, Popo is puffing along. Yeah, I was watching Popo there. Popo right here. It's hard to see it right now. But yeah, Popo was puffing along pretty good, actually. So if we look down here, under where Loyalty Islands are down here, they're just a couple little guys. 4 islands it looks like, but they're right on the precipice of going 21,000 feet deep. 17,000, 21,000, 22,000, right on the edge. And I think there's like 4 little ones. And again, no tsunami alert right now. So we know what's going on. Just a sizable earthquake. I was concerned about New Caledonia because nothing has been happening. I mean, zero going on near New Caledonia. And now we have 2 super big quakes down here. Yeah, Eagles, thanks, buddy. Yeah, a 7.4. Boom, baby. Yeah. But again, 43 quakes in the area. The lowest quake that USGS has is registered as a 4.6. So 2 massive quakes and a bunch of 5s. And not very many 6s, and that's kind of odd. Yeah, not very many 6s. There's none. No 6s. So, yeah. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on what's going on here, so be aware. Enjoy your Friday, everybody. We'll be around and taking care of everything. So be good.